Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw the alphabet of A. Now we are using black color marker. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. The next one is E. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, the next one is G. G for God, and the next one is H. Subscribe to our channel. H for hand. Now we draw I. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. And now we draw the alphabet of K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we draw O. The next one is P. And the next one is Q. Now we draw the alphabet of R. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for tiger. The next one is U. Now we draw V. And the next one is W. W for watch. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.